Well, hello, and thank you for taking time to look at my bikes and stuff. I'm going to show you some of the XJ. Anyway, as you can see, the head's off. The bike's looking pretty cool. Well, I think it is anyway. Basically, I had to take the head off because there was no compression on cylinder number 3 and 4. So we took the head off and it turned out to be 2 bent valves. As you can see, I have the head here and I've started grinding the valves back in, and I'm waiting for 2 new valves to come. So, been a busy boy. Anyway, please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.